Hello everybody, my name is Rohit and I will show you a different application which is a perfect fit for T-Scan Hawk. An additional advantage of having a portable handheld scanner is that we can really go inside of an object, in this case a car, to scan for its interior. The data could be useful for the car manufacturer for during the product development stage and for the part supplier, because at the end the part should be fit into the car. An example could be floor mat or a customizable part. Let me show you. With the T-Scan Hawk, we can scan the car interior in a quick and easy way. Due to the fact that T-Scan Hawk has a very large scanning area, which is 550 by 600 mm, we can scan a large part of the dashboard in a very quick way. And also, we need a very little reference point as compared to other sensors. By moving over the surfaces, we can create a digital twin of the entire dashboard. And also by using the reference point, we are making sure that all data are connected to each other accurately and precisely. As you guys know, in the interior of a car, there are some portions which are hard to reach. Just an example, here in between the windshield and the dashboard. So by changing scanning mode, by a single click on the scanner, we can change it to the single laser line, which will be easy to reach in the hard to reach area. We can also switch to the third scanning mode, which is used for fine scanning with a single push of a button. This mode will help us to add more resolution for the complex area, such as the airbag engraved on the dashboard and the volume control button. In the GOM Inspect software, you can clearly see the scan quality by looking at the mesh structure of the leather and the airbag engravings. Next to the ergonomics, we can also use this complete scan to do some analysis, such as checking surface defects and additional dimension in the GOM Inspect suite software. The surface defect map, for example, enables us to check the depth of the seam marks that occurs when producing this part on the airbag area. Now you have seen that we have scanned interior of a car, but of course we can scan exterior too. To do this in a very accurate and precise way, we can use the integrated photogrammetry option.